Hi everyone. I hope you are all doing awesome. It's 41st day of Thousand Days Life, and it's about whether you have grown spiritually or not. And my name is Abhinay. So let's start with the topic. So I learned that in our journey we have to grow on four levels. One is physically, mentally, spiritually, and there is one more dimension, and I will definitely update about it in the comments because I'm not able to recollect it now, and also it's not of the topic today. So every time we simply focus on this how part, how to do something, uh, can I do it, and what is the different stuff. So it will be in that manner. Everything revolves around how. But if you focus on spiritual level, you will be focusing on why. This thing I learned from one person who is the follower of Sadhguru, and even when it comes to me, I started focusing on why certain thing happened only in this manner. Why? And I simply focused on the same, and I took the decisions accordingly, which really helped me a lot. Back in 2019, there was a situation where I decided to not go to home for Diwali, and one of our colleagues insisted me towards going to home. Then I thought about why that particular incident happened. Then I was like, if he felt like asking me and insisting me to go to home, then there must be a reason. This was running in my mind, and I decided to go to home. And then and there, I went to home from Hyderabad, and my mom was like, I thought of asking you to come to home to take care of the different stuff because it's Diwali, but she stopped because of thought that what I might respond. So when I focused on that why that particular thing happened, it was like I took the right decision, even though I wasn't feeling like going to home at the on the day at that particular instant. So when you focus on this level, why certain thing is happening and why you have to do certain thing, why do you really have to do it, then you will be taking the right decision in your life. I hope this adds value to you. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.